Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Vechain. What's the current price of Vechain, what's the price changes occurs in the Vechain, and especially you will be feel very happy after watching this interesting video. So please keep watching this video till the end friends, because in this video I'm talking about the huge pump of the Vechain which are coming soon. When will be the huge pump or starts? Let's see my friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone, if you listen my voice, so please don't ignore and kindly click the subscribe button. And now ABS Tech channel will announcing a giveaway when they reach to 10k subscriber friends. So subscribe now ABS Tech channel friends. Now let's start the video friends. If you look the currently latest price of the Vechain in the market, so you can see here 0.113038 USD dollar is the currently latest price of Vechain. On the other side, if you look the price changes occurs in the Vechain, so absolutely the price change is going positive. The last 1 hour price change is positive, last 1 day price change is positive, and only the last 1 week price change is going wrong friends. So that is why this means that the previous days price changes occurs in the Vechain is going wrong, and the price of the Vechain is fast down friends. But now from the yesterday, from the last 1 day, the price of the Vechain start moving upward, and I hope that they will reach $1 very soon friends. You can see here last 1 hour price change is positive, so that means that the Vechain is this time is then the jumping mode friends. Let's see the price chart, what's going on my friends. You can see here, you can understand, you can easily feel the huge pump of the Vechain. So friends, my prediction, and I believe that the Vechain will continue this jump for a long time friends, because you can see here that after a false zero is a jump. That is the common procedure, that is the common phenomena of the cryptocurrencies market. And you can see here, and if you look the previous time changes occur in the Vechain, so you can see here absolutely a bit false occur, and now after a false zero is a jump. So that is the common procedure. That is why my prediction about Vechain is 100% positive, and I believe that the Vechain huge pump of where is coming soon. So that is why I suggest for everyone that it's time to hold, not to sell. So please hold Vechain friends. Anyways my friends, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Vechain? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.